Hey guys, welcome to the Legos Club. Today, we're going to get a roll-on. I'm challenging you to create a Lego ball. Pretty sweet, huh? So, let's see what parts you need to get started. The Lego pieces you will need to make your Lego ball. You will need a 1x1 brick plate. You'll need 24 of these. You will need 12 1x4 brick plate. You will need 18 2x2 plates. You will need 30 2x6 plates. You will need 6 2x8s. You need 6 4x4. Then you will need 8 1x4 bricks with knobs. Now, as you can tell, I have different colored pieces for my ball. Is because I did not have all of the same color. That is fine. You can do it whatever color scheme you want. So, let's get started. Now it's time to take all those parts and turn it into our sphere. So we're going to take our 2x6 pieces and we're going to create a stepping system. Then we will take our 1x4s. You want to stick it on the edge as so. Flip it over, we're going to do the other side. Just like that. Then we're going to take our 2x2s. Put it right there in the middle. Your other 2x2. So you should have this so far. We're going to take our 2x8 and create this. Then you want to take your 1x1 plate right here. You're going to repeat that step on all 4 corners. Alright, then you're going to take your 4x4 plate and stick it on top in the middle square. Take your 2x2 plate and stick that in the middle. You're going to do this 5 more times. For a total of 6 pieces. So, how do we put this together? That's where these come in handy. Pieces. So, you see how there's both these notches? So you're going to want to flip one to attach as so. That's what it looks like on the inside. So we're just going to go all the way around. Alright, so there's the inside. Which, as you can tell, I'm missing one right here. So I will put that in separately It's the easiest way I've found to do it. Every other time I've tried to do it any other way, it falls apart. So, let's see if this works. Oh, goodness. There we go. And you have your outer 4 walls. So now you have your top and your bottom to do. So, you want to take your pieces. I just find it easier to attach them to this part first. Alright, last piece, guys. And there's your Lego ball. Now, let's see if you can complete the challenge.